Welcome to this overview and demonstration of setting up an Amazon Q business application. To begin, verify that your region is selected from the region menu in the AWS Management Console. Then, enter Amazon Q Business in the search bar. Select Amazon Q Business from the results panel. Now, from the Amazon Q Business landing page, choose Get Started. In the Amazon Q Business console, you can create, deploy, and manage generative AI digital assistant applications. You can also create a quick application to experiment before you create or deploy an application. Choose Create Application. Step 1 is to create the application. In the Application Details pane, enter an application name. Leave other settings as default. The IAM Identity Center instance that was created earlier as a part of this course is automatically assigned to this application. Choose Create. Step 2 is to select a data retriever. You can either use native data retrievers or use existing retrievers. Select Use Native Retriever and choose Next. Step 3 is to connect data sources for the application. Amazon Q Business has over 40 built-in connectors to various enterprise systems like Amazon S3, SharePoint, Google Drive, and more. It has connectors for both cloud-based systems and on-premise systems. Choose the plus sign by Amazon S3. In the Connect Data Sources Amazon S3 page, add a data source name. In the IAM role drop-down list, select Create a new service role, which is the recommended option. Then, choose Browse S3 to select the S3 bucket that you created in a previous demonstration. Scroll down. Under Sync Run Schedule, select Run on Demand from the Frequency menu. Then, choose Add Data Source. It can take a few seconds or minutes to add the data source. Then, scroll down. After you successfully add the data source, choose Next. Step 4 is to add groups and users to the application. Choose Add Groups and Users. In the Add or Assign Users and Groups pop-up window, choose Assign Existing Users and Groups and choose Next. Then, choose Get Started. In the search bar, search for the username that you created. In this demo, the username is demo_user. Choose the user from the drop-down list. Then, choose Assign. In the Add Groups and Users page, choose the Users tab. After you verify the user assignment and the appropriate subscription level, choose Create Application. Now, the Amazon Q Business application is created and the web experience is deployed. You can verify the web experience status has deployed successfully under the Web Experience Status column. You can also verify the web experience URL, which will be used by the assigned users to access the application interface. Choose the Demo Application Name link. In the Demo Application page, choose the radio button by your data source. Then, choose Sync Now. After the sync process starts, you will see a notification on the top of the page indicating that the sync started successfully. The sync process can take from a few minutes to a few hours. Sync speeds are limited by factors, such as remote repository throughput and throttling, network bandwidth, and the size of the documents in the source system. The sync process continues in the background and doesn't need to be actively monitored, and the user session doesn't need to be active. After the sync process is complete, you will see the last sync status is completed and the last sync time listed. As an admin, you have options to set admin controls and guardrails for the application. Choose Admin Controls and Guardrails from the menu on the left. In the Admin Controls and Guardrails page, you can set global controls. You can restrict the application response to only the connected enterprise data sources. You can also augment the response with generative AI large language models, LLMs, within Amazon Q Business to provide a generic response. Now, in the Global Controls section, choose Edit. Select the checkboxes next to the two options, allow end users to send queries directly to the LLM and allow Amazon Q to fall back to the LLM knowledge. Then, choose Save. Now, choose Applications from the menu on the left. Then, choose the radio button by the demo application you created. Choose Customize Web Experience. As an admin, you can preview the web experience for the application and also customize the title, subtitle, and welcome message. Choose Save. As an admin, you won't be able to have conversations with the application on this page. To have a conversation, a user needs to access the web experience URL with their respective credentials. Now, you can access the web experience URL either from this preview page or from the application list. On this page, choose View Web Experience. After you select the web experience URL, you will be redirected to a separate web experience page where the assigned user needs to be authenticated before using the application. You have now successfully created an Amazon Q business application. This completes the demonstration. Thank you for your participation.